Hello guys, I am preparing a playlist where I will talk about basic electronic circuits. In this playlist, I will first examine the circuits theoretically and then try to show the circuits on the Proteus. Let's start with our first circuit. Our first circuit consists of a power supply, resistor, and a diode. When the diode is operating in the forward bias zone, it must reach the specified threshold voltage to pass current. Generally, this value is around 0.7 volt for silicon diodes and 0.3 volt for germanium diodes. Diode usually acts as a rectifier and protector in the circuit. The circuit element resistance makes current limiting, creating a challenge against the current in the circuit. Let's examine this circuit theoretically. If we consider the diode in our circuit as a silicon diode, there is 0.7 volt in the diode. When we subtract 0.7 volt from the value of 10 volt, which is the circuit source, we find the voltage falling on the resistor in the circuit. When we divide this voltage by the total resistance of the circuit, 1 kilo ohm, we find the current of the circuit. If we look at our second circuit, let's note that the silicon diode in the circuit is reverse connected. Here is the plus end of the diode is connected to the minus end of the source. In this case, the diode is not conductive. Therefore, there is no current flow in the circuit. It is the value of the 10 volt diode which is the source value in the circuit. Let's examine these two circuits in the Proteus. If we examine the first circuit in the Proteus, it will be sufficient for this circuit to use 1N4001 diode. We will be covering other diode models in the following videos. We connected two voltmeters in parallel to see the voltage of our circuit elements instantly. We connected an ammeter in series to see the current flowing through the circuit. Note that voltmeters must be connected in parallel to the circuit and ammeters must be connected in series to the circuit. When we run the circuit, we see that it is almost similar to the theoretical result we did before. If we look at the second circuit, remember that the diode in the circuit is reversed, so there is no current flow in the circuit. When we run the circuit, we see that the current in the circuit is 0 amperes and all the voltage in the circuit is collected in the diode. Friends, this was our first video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see the other circuit solutions. Thank you.